y'all. So I am getting ready to get my hair done, and the hair I'm going to be using today is from Wiggins, and it is their Brazilian body wave. I have it in the inches 22. I have 3 bundles, and these are some pretty thick bundles, I would say. Like, this is the hair. I've dyed it black already. Before I dyed it and washed it, I was a little skeptical because I was like, these look a little skimpy. They were rolled up, so unrolled them, and they are looking pretty thick. I'm gonna show y'all. But this is the hair. All 3 bundles. Here is 1 bundle alone. So hopefully y'all can see that. I'm about to get a quick weave. Excuse my voice. I woke up sore throat, allergies. I think I got a little cold, not sure. But stay tuned. My girl Dorsey is about to hook me up as always. Bust down, middle part, 22 inches. I haven't had 22 in years, so I'm excited. No layers or nothing. I just want something really sleek, straight to the point, cute, all of that. Shout out to Wiggins. I will have their information in the description box. Be sure to check that out. Some good, hopefully it's some good and inexpensive hair. I can't really say just yet. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get this hair done, okay? This is the hair and the length. Okay, girl. Yes. And Dorsey used everything except this much of the hair. So pretty much she used all 3 bundles. She did split the track for that top one, so pretty much, you know. Yeah, I'm excited. It looks good. The hair feels good. The hair came in like a natural brown texture, and it looks silky, but it's not giving like that silky fake type. Once I washed it and dyed it, it looks really good. Oh, it looks so full. Yes, I love it already. Thank you. Excellent, excellent. Love. It looks really good. I really like it so far. It looks good. It looks great. So this is the hair. I love it. It looks so good, so nice and full. So I will, like in 2 days, you know, fix myself up. We'll talk about this hair a little bit later. It looks so good. Like, y'all gotta check out Wiggins. Like, oh my goodness, girl. Now, this is the box that the hair arrives in. Really cute and pretty. And I have 3 bundles installed in my head. This is all that we did not use out of the 3 bundles. Very little of that. So yeah. And in the box comes a wig cap, a bag to store your hair, some lashes, and this WIGGINS Hair headband in case you need to like lay down your edges, or if it's a frontal unit that you have a closure and you need to lay that down. So that's all that came in the box. We'll get into the details a little bit later. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this install because baby, it is flat. Okay, this is so flat, and it's a Quickweave. This is a glueless Quickweave, and it is flat, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna show y'all how long this hair is. Like I said, it's 22 inches. And let's just brush it, and then we'll get into all the specs and stuff. I've had this installed for a couple of days now. So here is where the hair hits. Now she did cut a little bit of my hair. Now she didn't like cut the bottom of it, but she like cut some little layers at the end. And I didn't want her cutting the hair at all, but she was like, I'm gonna look like a witch if she don't put something in it. And I guess it helps with like movement too, to an extent. This hair is really silky. It's good. It's not, it blends, like my hair blends really easy with this hair, and that's what I do like about it. Now I will say it is giving more so like, I don't know, I want to say like fluffy. Like this hair is really, really fluffy compared to some of the other hair that I have. Like this more so like that real hair. It's Brazilian body wave as well, but it's more of like a relaxed, I don't know how to explain it. This get fluffy. I feel like sometimes with the AliExpress or like Chinese hair, to an extent, sometimes it has this tendency to, I guess you could say, it kind of frizzes. Now this one doesn't frizz like for real, but compared to like the other hair, I feel like the humidity would catch this one a little bit more, if that makes sense. I'm not explaining what I'm trying to say, but I really hope that y'all can understand like that type of hair that I'm trying to, I don't know. I just want y'all to be aware of the cons. Like I would give this a 4.7 out of 5. And I only take away because of like that poofiness that I'm trying to explain. Like I don't know how to explain it, but that's the only reason. Outside of that, I really do like this hair. I get little to no shedding with this hair. I don't get any tangles with this hair. I did dye this hair jet black so that it matches my natural hair color. Otherwise, it does come in like that brown virgin like hair color. And yeah, so that's pretty much all of that. What else can I say about this hair? Really easy to install. I love how like the tracks are like not bulky at all. The tracks are pretty thin and lay really flat. I like that. Now I don't think it'll probably last you like 5 years. Hair that I do have, I've had it for like 3 years now. I feel like this could last you 3. I don't know about like 5. Let me know down below if you guys have ever tried out wiggins.com, if in their hair, if you had a good experience or a bad experience with them, or you know, heard about anybody else experience, because I wouldn't want y'all wasting y'all money on some hair, you know, because I got sent this hair. I mean, I could have got sent a good batch, you know what I mean? If I have a coupon code, I'm not sure, I have to read my email, but if I do have a coupon code, I will put it in the video as well as the description box. So y'all definitely be sure to check out wiggins.com. I don't think you all will be disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I love this install. It looks very natural, sleek, nice, silky. Like I said, I feel like that girl with this hair. I mean, I'm already that girl, but it just, you know, ties it all in. Like, because you know, sometimes you just look a mess, and I was looking a mess before I got my hair done, but now I just feel like me again. I just feel really pretty and stuff. And you know, it's nothing like getting your hair done, getting your nails done. I got my nails done too. I got a trip. I'm going on a trip today, so you know, it's nothing like self-care, maintenance, investing in yourself, making yourself look pretty, feel pretty. So you guys, if y'all haven't got y'all nails done or hair done in a minute, and you feeling down, go get your nails done. Go get your hair done. Or, you know, set aside a little money here and there so that it's not like a chunk of change coming out if you don't got it. You know what I'm saying? But definitely self-care, whether you got to do it yourself or whatever. Invest in yourself. Take care of yourself. Make yourself feel pretty. Because I feel pretty. I feel very pretty. And thank you, Wiggins, for making me feel pretty on today and sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Comment down below, share this video, and most importantly, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what kind of like extension look y'all think I should try next, or that will look good on me. Short hair, long hair. I'm thinking I want to try like short next, maybe like a bob or something, or like shoulder length like here. I've only had like a bob once, never really had. I'm thinking some flips or something, I don't know, but baby, I'm loving this long hair. Okay, I usually get 18-inch, but this 22, it's eating, and I ain't even done nothing yet, if you know what I mean. I ain't even got dressed up, and it's eating on this casual day. So yeah, anyway, let me get off this camera, because you know, when you feeling yourself, and I'm feeling myself right now, y'all. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much, each and every one of y'all, for watching, commenting, liking, supporting, and those of y'all who have been with me since the very beginning or for some time now. I appreciate y'all, love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Also, do me a favor, I posted another video recently, a Fashion Nova try-on haul. Be sure to check that out. I'll link it down below in the description box as well. Also, y'all do me a favor and follow me on social media at Gabrielle M. Morris on Instagram and Gabrielle Morris _ on TikTok. And I will have those in the video as well as the description box.
I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.